Alright, for this project I'm doing, I have to make some OB shine juice, so I figured I'd show you guys how to use it. What I have here is shellac. You can use any kind of shellac. I use clear. Boiled linseed oil. Boiled linseed oil, not linseed oil. And denatured alcohol. This is what I use. I mean, I guess you could replace the shellac with a polyurethane or something. I like the shellac. I think it does great. So let's go ahead and get to making this. I love using my chisels to open stuff. I have a shot glass here that I'm going to put in about 1 ounce. If I can find the ounces on here. There they are. I only make about 3 ounces at a time because you need a little bit, so and I use one of these glue bots to do it. I'm going to use some old linseed oil here. You can tell this is old. I've barely used it, so there's 1 ounce. And I always do the denatured alcohol last because everything else is fairly thick. And this helps clean it out because I end up cleaning it out afterwards. Hopefully we got enough of this. And if you make too much, the denatured alcohol has a tendency to evaporate. So, and you take it, put it in your container. Boom, 3 ounces of OB shine juice ready to go. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. OB shine juice. Look at that. I'm going to put about 5 more coats on here and I'll be back. If it's your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you know when stuff's coming on over to Instagram if you're looking to see my my sneak peeks of all my projects. I put them up over there. Like me on Facebook. Alright, have a great one.